Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Friday, 8th May, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed lower overnight, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average falling around approximately 0.6%, the S&P 500 declining approximately 0.4%, and the Nasdaq Composite slipping approximately 0.1% after briefly touching fresh intraday record highs. The decline came as rising oil prices and renewed U.S.-Iran tensions triggered profit booking in tech stocks and weighed on overall market sentiment. Asian markets are trading mixed to negative on Friday, with the Nikkei 225 down around approximately 0.8%, the Kospi slipping more than 1%, while the Hang Seng is also indicating weakness after the recent sharp rally. Renewed uncertainty around U.S.-Iran tensions, profit booking in global tech stocks, and still elevated crude oil prices are keeping overall sentiment cautious across Asian markets. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 24,258, thereby indicating a negative opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices remain volatile near the $100 per barrel mark after reclaiming key levels amid renewed U.S.-Iran tensions and uncertainty around Middle East supply conditions. Despite recent cooling from peak levels, geopolitical developments continue to keep energy markets highly sensitive. Gold prices are trading firm supported by safe haven demand, a softer dollar, and easing inflation concerns. The metal continues to maintain a positive bias as investors closely monitor geopolitical risks and interest rate expectations. BSE reported a strong Q4 FY26 performance, with consolidated net profit jumping 61% YOY to 797 crore rupees, while revenue from operations surged to 1,563 crore rupees. The exchange also saw strong sequential growth, reflecting robust market activity and trading volumes. Karur Vysya Bank posted a healthy Q4, with net profit rising 41% YOY to 725 crore rupees, supported by growth in interest income and overall business expansion. Total income for the quarter increased to 3,519 crore rupees from 3,025 crore rupees a year ago. SBI's board will meet on May 12 to consider raising up to $2 billion through foreign currency bonds for the current financial year. The proposed fundraising could support the bank's growth and overseas funding requirements. Following the mostly negative cues from the global markets accompanied by another spike in crude oil prices due to renewed tensions in the West Asia conflict, Nifty is expected to open in the red today. The open is expected to be within the range of support and resistance mentioned in yesterday's post-market report. Supports will therefore remain at 24,185, followed by 24,000, while resistances will be at 24,360, followed by 24,525. A negative bias may be expected due to profit booking and crude spike, renewed volatility in crude oil prices, lingering geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, rising global bond yields, and continued FYI selling remain key risk for Indian markets, keeping pressure on inflation, the rupee, and overall sentiment. Strong Q4 earnings momentum, resilient domestic institutional buying, easing geopolitical concerns, and positive global market cues led by AI and tech optimism continue to support Indian equities and broader market sentiment. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 341 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 441 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on May 8, 2026. And before we sign off, we would like to let you know that a free webinar with the topic Super Trend Plus Liquidity Strategy for Nifty Options will be conducted this Saturday at 12 p.m. Do check the description for the webinar link. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for stock market-related updates. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.